Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampACrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. Today we are not live, but I did manage to get a few videos recorded on Monday before I left to go to Chattanooga for a long weekend. So visiting with family, and should be back on Sunday, hopefully. But today this week, we're trying to finish up our basic card designs using the card sketches from page 22 of the annual catalog. So I thought today we'd do this one up here. It's the top row, the next to last one on the row. Very basic. It is just a card front with a label and a couple flags and some twine. So I thought we'd do a Halloween card. Now, we don't have a ton of Halloween product. We have a stamp set and a bundle in the online exclusives. Now I've ordered them, but they're not in yet. I have not got them in my hands. We have a new release coming in September with some scrapbooking product that will have some paper and stickers. I don't think there's stamp set in there. So what do you do when you don't have, when you have no current Halloween product in your hands? So this is what we do. What I do have is the Iconic Celebrations paper. Now this designer paper is online exclusive. Is it the most dynamic, beautiful paper you've ever seen? I'm gonna be honest, not really, okay? But it does have some really good things in here. So I want to show you these papers. So we have some fall papers. So we have this with the acorns and leaves. Then on the back we have copper, I think it's copper clay, or is it Cajun Craze? Let me see. It is Cajun Craze, which is brighter than copper clay. So we have a polka dot pattern here. We have some fall leaves. And then we have a green, which will also be good for Christmas. But it also goes with our fall papers. Then we have this pumpkin paper, which is really cute, goes really well. And then it has a pecan pie plaid in the background. Okay, so those are our fall papers. Now we also have a couple birthday papers. This one is just a very light blue with, it's a very light misty moonlight. And then it has spun confetti. Then it has some cute stars on the background. Then we have this candle paper. And then on the back we have some fireworks. So I think these two together would be beautiful for a New Year's card too. So we have birthday, New Year, fall, Halloween. Okay, then we have some pink champagne glasses. Now this could be for several things. Could be for Valentine's. It could also be for New Year's with the stars. Okay, then we have some hearts on the back for Valentine's Day. Then we have some great holiday and winter papers. So in the misty moonlight, we have the snowflake paper, super cute. And then we have some pink trees in the background that can also go with the stars. These are the Moody Mauve. Then we have doves on this pattern. Then on the back we have some pecan pie stars, which look really nice with these. These three pecan pie papers go really well together for either Christmas or New Year's. Then we have some pine boughs. We have cute little candy canes on the back. Love those. We have a great Christmas plaid right here with some leaves and berries on the other side. We have a blue and green striped paper. And then we have some fun pecan pie Christmas trees that also goes nice with the plaid and the stars. And then we have some green Christmas trees and then some cherry cobbler leaves and berries. So lots of different patterns that kind of coordinate with different holidays. So very excited about that. So what we're going to do today, we're going to make a Halloween card. So I pulled in a piece of the pumpkin pie, or of the pumpkin pie, of the pumpkins, and then this fun, this one right here is this. It's the polka dot, and then I'm going to do a black card base. So because it's Halloween, I feel I have to bring in black somewhere. So we're going to do it in our card base. Okay, then I'm going to take the pumpkin pie and we're going to do the whole front panel with pumpkin pie. So let's grab our paper trimmer, and I'm going to cut this down to 4 inches wide by 5 1/4. Now you could also cover the whole front if you wanted. I want to leave a little bit of that black showing for our, you know, for Halloween. I have a piece of white for the inside. Now, I also have, we're going to cut a little label out of basic white because I really want this to pop a little bit. Now, what I did do is ahead of time, I used our, what are these called? Mini alphabet dies right here, and I cut out the letters BOO, B-O-O, and we are going to cut, let's cut a little label. I think I'm going to start with 1 1/2 tall. These are kind of small letters. They're only 3 1/4 inch tall. So let's do 1 1/2. Or maybe, yeah, let's do 1 1/2. We'll start with that. If I feel like it's too tall, we'll cut it down. And then I'm going to glue these on, and then I'm going to trim it off. Did I cut that straight? Not really. It feels a little lopsided to me. Let's try this again. Nope, 1 1/2. I don't know, maybe it's okay. We'll try it and see how it goes. Okay, let's grab some liquid glue and just put a little bit of glue on the BOO. I'm going to try to leave a border. You know, I think that BOO's on upside down. I need to cut another B. I need to cut another B because I glued it on backwards. All right, let's pull these out. And let me put another B. Where's my cutting mat? Here it is. Okay. All right, I know I can tell it's wrong because the smaller part of the B should be on the bottom, and for whatever reason it was on the top. All right, let's flip this over and try it again. Okay, we're going to do B, and you can usually tell, I don't know why I couldn't tell, but the back of the letters are a little rougher than the front of the letters. B, O, I have glue on that finger. B, O, O. Get that straight. Okay, we'll go with that. All right, let's trim this down to maybe 2 inches. See how that looks. I think I'm going to cut just a hair down on either side. Let's do a 1/4 inch on no, that's too much. I'm doing 1/8 of an inch. On the top. 1/8 of an inch on the bottom. Okay. right, we'll go with that. I'll put final measurements on the blog. All right, so we're gonna make a little banner. This is 1 1/4 by 2. So I'm gonna make my banner 1 inch by, we're not doing a big one. Let's just cut a 1 inch piece off of here. And then we'll see how long we want to make it. Okay, we're going to grab some scissors. I'm going to flag one end. We want to make our flags fairly shallow. Okay, and that's just going to peek out a little bit. Oh, that's going to be cute. Okay, we can cut this off about there. I'm going to make a little flag on this end. And we'll center that right in the middle. Okay. Let's see what we've got now. Center this right on my little banner. Okay, and right here are pumpkins. And then I have got, we don't have much in the way of different colors of twine, but I do have black. So let's maybe do a little bit of black. Come in here. We'll do a loop here. Loop at the bottom. Come on, loops. And then come out this way. All right. We're going to use a couple dimensionals and pop this up. We'll do one in the middle, and one right here. Okay, get that boo right on top, cute. Okay, let's stamp the inside. Now, I do have this throughout the year. It's a carryover set. This is in the online exclusives. It is not in the catalog, but it is in it online. Carryover, I think, I don't know, I feel like it was from the holiday catalog, from last year, or it could be from the spring catalog. I can't remember. But it does have Trick or Treat in here. I'm hoping this is going to be straight. Cute. So we do have a Trick or Treat stamp. And then I'm going to take my marker. Okay. I wish I had a little teeny tiny jack-o'-lantern stamp, but I don't. So I'm going to take my marker and I'm just going to do a couple of fun little jack-o'-lantern faces of different types. Let's do one more. So I just did like 4 little fun jack-o'-lanterns. So it's kind of like look and see which one is different. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's card. I'll post measurements and supplies on my blog. You know what? It needs a little something. Let's see. What do we have? You know what? I used those, and those are out of. Those are retired. Let me see if I have anything that looks like it would go. Oh my goodness. What do I have? All right, I've got these. These are the In Color in color opaque sparkle dots. And it has copper clay, which is close enough to Cajun Craze. Right here. So let's just grab a couple of those to add a little bling to our project. Maybe one down here. Oh, that helps a little bit. It does have a little bit of sparkle. Okay, so that's our card for today. Make sure to check back on Saturday and we'll have one more. All right, thanks everybody. Bye-bye.